So to upscale an image, it's pretty easy. So if you've got an image that you're not really happy with its resolution, or it's kind of appearing a bit blurry in this instance, I've got a previous illustration from an older video I've done in my Illustrator series. It's quite blurry. So to make this clearer, you need to select the image. If you've got the paid version of Canva Pro or Canva, head over to the apps window here, and this is where you can kind of choose an app. So you just type in Pixel Enhancer. So this is the app that I use to enhance the pixels of an image to make it clearer. Canva doesn't have this inbuilt into any of the menus, so it's doing this through an app, which I would say is the best version of it. So just hit Pixel Enhancer. Let it load up. So it'll say upload or select an image to enhance its quality, and go enhance selected image and let it do its thing. So usually it will give you an enhanced image if nothing's gone wrong, which it should show a really clear version, which you can kind of see that's a lot clearer. All you need to replace it with is just go hit replace. And then bang. It's not amazing, but I think it's much better than what it was before. So we'll just revert back. Yeah, it's definitely a lot better than what it was previously. There you go. Yeah, a lot better. I've got a few other images to use as an example, so I'll just delete this one. I've uploaded another example. This is like a good one. It's like a beach. So say for example, you just need this for a background, or if you've got an image for like a social media tile that needs to be in a background, and you kind of really love the image, but you don't want to use anything else. Again, just hit edit image. I mean, you don't need to hit edit image, but you can find it at the bottom here if you really search for it. Sometimes they have them here, but sometimes they don't. But just hit Pixel Enhancer, it will show up underneath the apps menu on the left hand toolbar. So I'll just go Pixel Enhancer, enhance selected image. We'll see what this does. I haven't actually tried this before. We'll see how well it does with like a beach scene. So it's a little bit more complex with clouds and different shades of color. Oh wow, not bad. Beautiful. There you go. Not bad at all. So yeah, that's quite good. From that to that. Amazing. You can tell it's a little bit AI generated, but you can tell it's doing some smoothing out and aliasing, I think is what you call it. Very interesting. We'll do another one just to show it off a bit more. So I think there was this one of like a person. I got this off like a website, like some photography website, which demonstrated like low pixel clarity. Just go Pixel Enhancer, enhance selected image, let it do its thing, and it should come out a little bit clearer. We'll see how it does with the person's face. It might clear up a lot of the imperfections and the wrinkles. Wow. You can tell it's a little bit AI with the beard and some of the spot marking on the face, but definitely an improvement. Yeah, that's amazing. So before and after. Impressive. We'll do one more. So this is a very sticky situation style image. So it's a very low res and a very small image. But we'll see how this does. I'm assuming it's just going to clear it up instead of adding detail to it. Oh wow. Intriguing. Yeah, there you go. So you usually have a number of attempts that you have on this app, but yeah, that's the only drawback with this app. But I mean, usually you've only got one or two that you need to do in a day. You don't need to try it out too much, but yeah, it's a really interesting tool. There you go. There is definitely some AI into this, but yeah, it's a good little tool if you need it in a pinch, and if you're using a paid version, it's good to just try it if you've got access to, or if you're using a business account, it's good to kind of have this in that arsenal ready to go. That's pretty much it. If you need any help, just let me know, and I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks.